What sound effect from a video game can you still hear perfectly in your head, years later? The coins on Super Mario. Shield recharging sound effect from Halo. Not played any StarCraft game since the early 2000s, I can still hear that Terran Academy scream. Sega. Hey, most of the sound effects from Half-Life. That pipe noise from GoldenEye. The quasi-metallic sound of Pac-Man eating on the Atari. Mario Yahoo! The sound Yoshi makes when he eats an apple. Poke Center healing sound. That stupid dog laughing at you when you miss a duck. The slurping noise Crash Bandicoot made every time he picked up a Wumpa fruit.